Alright, good afternoon. I'm Anton Diaz from OurAwesomePlanet.com, and wanted to share with you what's really the number one secret in succeeding online. And I've been researching this topic for the longest time, and I've recently talked to like 10 or so internet experts in the Philippines, and all of them, the number one secret is branding. We have a presentation a while ago about Cebu Pacific Air.com. Even if they did not get their website, Cebu Pacific continues to dominate the local online travel scene. And that is because of branding. And one of the things I'm going to share with you is how, one, I was able to build the strategies and techniques on how to build your brand online. So I'll share with you what our Awesome Planet is. I've created it in 2005 until today, from zero to how it is today. Our Awesome Planet receives like 12,000 hits per day, which is equivalent to Cebu Pacific or Chris Aquino site. And it's one of the most popular food and travel sites in the Philippines. So what I'm going to share with you is branding, specifically in the Philippine setting. How do you use SEO for branding with a branding mindset? And this year, I started to teach in Asian Institute of Management, coaching. I'm now on my third batch, coaching other people on how to build a brand online from zero to building your brand. And this is 100% online without trying media. So what I'm going, the 20 ways I'm sharing with you would be the techniques and strategies.